What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I have a 1997 Toyota 4Runner.
Hi, YouTube.
400 with 200, 200 and what on it? 97 4Runner, 209,000 miles, we'll call this. It has this production date from the manufacturer on the wires from 1997. Let me find it for you. Anytime you see that they're numbered like that, it usually indicates OEM. 1997. So he's got some leaky valve covers. And then on the first advice with the customer, we were like, hey, tune up, you know, valve cover gaskets, the whole 9 yards. And he was like, just do the valve covers. I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm not pulling apart 200,000 mile tune-up system, putting it back together and not doing it. So then he smartened up and said, okay, we'll go ahead and do it. So look at this. Look at the intake ports. Not bad, but I will tell you this. So this is above. Why is that so much cleaner in the upper intake? Because the PCV system, crankcase ventilation, is here, and here. So it's got a couple different points of entry for the vapor. So there you go. But this has never had an induction service. Never. If it has, it's really never been done.
Your favorite person?
So I'm gonna keep digging. Excuse me. Thanks for watching.
You're gonna keep digging those nose.